Listen, there was a running of bulls in the What's your name? Would you like a spotted? Don't forget, this is not your life, Arthur. I am telling you, I can't always land on his feet. What? No, poison was doesn't need a spark. Watch. No need to pull it. This will revolutionize travel. Watch. Excuse me. Does this have shellfish in it?
Yes, sir.
Boss, I think you set the limit too high.
I am a master of physics. Watch. And then there was the giant.